Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a quick and tasty omelette. First take one fresh egg. Now I am gently breaking the egg and putting into the small cup. Next I am adding a little bit of salt for taste and some red chili powder to make it slightly spicy. Now let's mix it well. Make sure the egg, salt and chili are nicely combined. Now I am placing a pan on the stove. Let it heat for a few seconds and a little oil to the pan and spread it evenly. Once the pan is hot, pour the egg mixture into the pan. Now let it cook for about 1 minute. You can see it slowly sitting that looks perfect. If you want to, you can flip it, but I will keep it simple today. And yes, our delicious omelette is ready.